Hi, I'm Tyler with Management One, and today in this video, I really wanted to share with you a law that has been passed and will continue to take into effect, however, has been changing, but that is AB 3088. Basically, how will the Tenant Relief Act affect your rental property? Now, it's a little complex, so I do have some notes here, but I really want to share with you more so in detail basically how that will affect you and your rental property. So first thing is first, it does limit the ability for landlords to evict a renter that has rent due from March 1st of 2020 to January 31st of 2021. Okay, now this is for renters who have experienced a hardship, maybe a job loss, etc., in terms of their financial situation. Another thing is it does or is separated into two components. So the protected time period versus the transition time period. So first we'll talk about the protected time period. First, this takes into effect from March 1st of 2020 through August 31st of 2020. Now, what that means is if they sign a declaration and they return it to you, you as the owner cannot evict them under this law, okay? Also, you as the owner, you can sue the debtor for a judgment of the amount and take action on or after, get this, March 1st of 2021, all right? Now, a few other things on the protected time period I want to touch on is if a renter does not pay rent, you or your property manager must serve them, okay, with documentation of the new law, all right? After that, then what you can do is you or your property manager can serve a 15-day notice. However, with that, you would have to get that from an attorney or obviously a property management company. And then the last thing on protected time period I want to touch on is the CARES Act, if your property falls under the CARES Act or does not. CARES Act, that means you have to give a 30-day notice, what I just spoke about in terms of serving a 15-day notice. If it's under the CARES Act, you're gonna have to do it 30-day notice. Now, if it's not, it reverts back to what I just alluded to, only the 15-day notice, okay? In terms of the transition time period, now this is for the dates of September 1st of 2020 through January 31st of 2021. Renters, they are required to pay at least 25% of the rent by January 31st of 2021, okay? So I know that was a lot to take in, but I did want to mention that to you. Obviously, that is very important. We will have some more videos coming, not only on this, but the laws that have came into effect after this election. Obviously, in this video, it is now almost mid-November of 2020, so we'll be going over a few things as well. Two more components that I just want to leave you with. On the just cause eviction, for almost everyone, there are some special terms that you may give to your renter in terms of notice to terminate their lease. Now, I know that might be a little bit confusing. Look up just cause eviction on Google. Also, if you need any letters or notices, you definitely always want to get those from either one, an attorney, or two, a property management company. And then the last thing is, what if my renter has not paid or they just decide that they won't pay rent, right? Definitely, first and foremost, contact an attorney or contact a property manager for more details on how to approach that and what you can specifically do if you don't already have an attorney or a property manager. So again, Tyler with Management One, thanks so much. We'll be having more videos to come, like I said. We hope to hear from you soon and help out in any way we can. Take care.